Um, this is going to be a cooking with Prince video. So we're going to be making scrambled eggs and some pancakes. So first, you want to get. I think this is about it. Want to get 4 eggs, right? Put them to the side. Want to get your pan. And I know how to make scrambled eggs because I've been doing a lot of cooking on camera. So we're gonna get this non-stick butter flavored cooking spread oil. We're gonna spray that on the pan. Get that all over. And we're gonna take oven. I mean, we're gonna turn this on. Turn the heat on to high right now, so the butter can cook inside of there. And what I like to do with my eggs, I just so in case there's not, just so you don't get any eggshell on them, I just wash them off when they're still inside the eggshell, so you don't get eggshells out of your eggs. So you take the one egg, make sure it's an egg, rack it, right? Put it on a pan. Oh my gosh. Take the other egg. Take all 4 eggs and crack them all on the pan. Put that on the pan. Now you get a fork. Where's the fork? There's a fork. You get a fork. They should look like this. Now you get a fork and you just mix it up inside the pan. You just want to mix it up around the pan and put it on like medium. Put the pan on like medium. That's too low. And now, if the eggs are looking like this right now, we want to take some pepper. We want to put that around the eggs. Take, oh my gosh, I dropped the pepper. We take some salt. That's much. I'm gonna let this do this around the pan. And now when you're done with this and your hand looks like that, put that salt away. You never want to put the rest of the salt from your hand inside the eggs. Now we mix these eggs around just a little bit more. We chop them up while inside the pan. We scrape the bottom while at it, so there's not a lot of eggs stuck to the pan, so it's easier to clean. And when your eggs look like that, then it's time to take it off of the fire. Now you get your plate that you're gonna put the eggs in. Me, I'm using this red plate. But first, before we do anything, we gotta throw out these eggshells. Cause they're in the way. And you take the pan and put it on there. Oh, but you're taking too long with the nutriments. I'm just making this food now.
Yeah, I'm thinking Prince in the bathroom getting ready. I'll come out in the yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We going to the zoo. He done made him a whole plate of damn eggs.
As you saw, that's a milk side. And I'm gonna make me 2 more eggs.
Yeah, we supposed to be meeting up with they
Oh yeah.
they class.
Now we put some waffles inside there for 3 minutes. Right, so after uh, after you are done with the waffles and the waffles come out, the next thing we're gonna do is cut up some pieces of butter, put it inside there, and turn on the fire. And we're going to melt the butter, right? We're making it the way that my dad did. So yeah. Well, now that the butter all soaked up and the butter is popping and stuff on the fire, mine's it's on high for me right now. You take this. Mm. Spatula. And now my favorite part again. Your money's dishes. Take this. I'm gonna put it right in the water. First, and now waffles come out like this, nice and crispy. And we're gonna put waffles and eggs on the same plate. We're gonna show you. See? Easy. Now, let's put the stuff on the plate. First is my plate. Hmm? And now the eggs are a little cold, so just put them inside there for like little 30 seconds. Keep it inside there for 30 seconds until it's at 10 seconds. Now the eggs are nice and heated. Mix them up so they don't like stick together because I be happening sometimes. Mm, mm. And my sister's plate. Where's the plate? She could just eat off of one of these plates. Put that on there and heat it up. 30 seconds to 10. Actually, this yes, I have for about. Okay, I could just put it on the same time. So, yeah, that is how the food turned out. So, peace.